by virtue of the authority vested in me as the ROTC Commandant of Visayas State University Reserve Officers Training Corps Unit, I hereby declare the advanced and basic ROTC courses with a total number of 8 advanced ROTC cadets and 1,230
General Headquarters of Force of the Philippines, dated 27 August 1985, as amended and in conjunction with the mandate of RA 9163, following the male and female advanced reserve officer training corps cadets of Visayas State University ROTC unit after having been completed. Foxtrot Company, to be received by Private Roland A. Inaga, Philippine Army Reserve.
Ng buong husay at katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayahan, ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyang natungkulan, itataguyod at ipagtatanggol ko ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas. Ako'y tunay na mananalig at tatalima dito. Ako'y susunod sa batas at sa makatarungan at makataong utos na legal na pinag-iiran ng mga sadyang itinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika